Subway there. That's what I'm talking about. The subway there, okay? The subway here. So let's go in. We ask for one sandwich. Here, this unit 15C. Let's go. Here. Let's try one. See there? It's amazing. Don't know. I'm gonna try one, so let's see how it goes. I don't know. Let's see how it goes.
I'm gonna get lettuce, onions, sub sauce, and mayo.
I don't know. Let's see how it goes, guys. The Subway. I'm on the line waiting, man. See, serving the client there. Then I'm next. I think I'm next. Yeah, let's see how this sandwich looks like. Okay, for those people who have never tried the sandwich, yeah, I'll show you guys. Sandwich. Yeah, stay tuned, guys. Yeah, I see a lot of people are coming, the kids there for the sandwich. Just waiting, man. Yeah. I need a small sandwich.
6-cent sandwich, what kind of?
For real, I don't know. Maybe you can educate me about the sandwiches.
So you wanna like chicken, steak?
I think you got chicken, beef, and what?
We have the like pork, salami, pepperoni.
Okay, I think I can go with what I know, the chicken.
Chicken?
Yeah. How much is it for the small one?
So every week has a different price.
Okay.
So if you get the chicken fillet, that has a different price. Every week has a different price.
So how much is for the chicken?
We are about 6 inches. We are about $10 plus tax.
Okay, no problem. I'll take that one. And that's the one.
Cheese and toasted, yeah?
Yeah.
Hi.
So it's the 2-foot longs, which is 6-inch. The 2-foot longs Italian, 1 maple, 1 sweet onion.
So 2 for long, 5. What kind of bread first?
Italian and both of them Italian herb, sorry.
On your chicken teriyaki?
It's ready. That's it.
That's it.
Want veggie?
Fiji.
No, so the 6 inch
What's
is
this?
not it's just gonna be
Yeah. Garden.
No, for both
Yeah,
of
we
them?
can try that one. Yeah.
Yes.
Lettuce. Yeah.
Tomatoes?
Yeah. And the onions, I think. Yeah. What else can I add? Add one stuff for me. Any spices there?
Mushroom?
You can try one for me. Just choose one for me.
You want to try spicy?
Spicy. Yeah.
First one's
Okay,
the big
nice.
one.
Please.
Cheese, that's it?
Yeah.
No cheese on that one. Yes. Can I put that cheese on the Italian, on the sweet onion? Any chips cookie drinks for you?
Sorry?
Any chips cookie drinks for you?
Which kind of drinks you have?
These are the options. And then there is the fountain drinks here.
Tropicana, I think is good. Tropicana is good.
Sure.
Tropicana, yeah.
So we have a 6-inch chicken teriyaki, and you want one juice. Any chips or cookie?
No, last year.
Okay. 13.55.
13.55.
Yeah.
Credit card.
Send everything.
Say no tip. I put one tip or what? Let's see how it goes. Yeah, put.
Receipt for you?
Yeah, thank you.
Have one.
Thank you. Yo, we got it. This is how it is. Let me show you guys. This is the sandwich. See? Here. Try from the outside. Got this side. Here's a sandwich. Oh, I forgot my Tropicana, so I have to go get my Tropicana first. There I go. Tropicana. There we go. This is called Tropicana. The place I am right now is called Subway. Oh, let's see how it is. Here. Holy mama. Sweet, man. Let me open in for you guys. The sandwich is the sandwich is just a bread. It's a normal bread, and you just put your tomato inside and maybe ketchup. That's it. Yeah, no big deal. Just a bread. You can put your ketchup, lactose, and maybe you put your onions. That's sandwich. What do you think, guys? And this is $13. 13 point what? Let me show for you guys. So, what's it? $13.54. 13.54 cents. Sandwich. Let's try it. It's confusing me, man. I have to count the check. Spicy, man. Spicy, but it's sweet, yeah. Try the sandwich. If you cannot manage to go to the restaurant, you can make yours. Bread, get the ketchup, the lactose, and the onions. You're done. The deal is done. There we go. Tropicana.
It's not spicy.
Man, Tropicana is not sweet. It's not sweet. It's not sweet. It's not sweet at all. I just finished my sandwich.
Just a couple of pickles and some mustard and mayo. Yellow mustard and mayo, right? Yes. That's good? Okay.
Yo guys, but the sandwich is sweet. You're supposed to try it next time, yeah? Try it next time. Peace out, peace out. Peace out, man. Salute. See you next time.